Alright, so today what we're going to be doing is installing a couple windows. So the first thing we're going to need to do is remove what's there. Then we'll assess if there's any dry rot, which there probably will be. We'll replace any of the wood that's rotting. Then after that we'll install our flashing, then we'll install our window, and then our window trim. It's going to be pretty hot today, so let's try to get this knocked out. But let me flip you guys around so you guys can check out what the window looks like. So there it is. That's what we're going to be working on. It's two double windows, but the bottom part here looks like it might be dry rotted, and then the seal. So yeah, let's get into it. Alright, so first thing we're going to do is remove the trim.
Entonces acá.
Ahí nomás le pones como su pata ahí.
¿Puede ser?
Ya.
Tengo miedo.
¿Tienes miedo?
Siento que me cae. Y es que con mis ojos acá y no me puedo mirar por ahí.
Pues no,
I
de
feel
vez en
like
cuando, fíjate.
I feel like I'm a trip.
normally if there was some sheathing over here along these walls, what we would do is attach one of these pieces this way first and then on the top so it overlaps that part. But since there's no sheathing, we're just gonna do the window seal. So you do is just rub it down. The corners are the most important. So, and that's pretty much it. So, these guys got about a 1/8 incline. That way, if any water falls, it could get out. And then it's just an extra measure. So, because in these corners is usually where, if any water finds its way, this is where they rot. So, you don't ever want to cut these corners. A lot of people like to cut them, but if you cut them, it always leaves a chance for water to get in there. It might not look as pretty because I could cut it and make it look nice, but there's a chance for the water to find its way there. So it's just better not to cut it, just to fold it over like that. So if water does find its way, it's gonna come out. There's no way for it to penetrate the lumber. So next thing is we're gonna install the window.
it is. So the only thing we'll have to do now is check for level. It looks pretty good, but we'll double check it, and then we'll go around and put screws or nails in there. You just want a flat a head that's real flat, but yeah. So it's that easy. It's gonna get pretty hot, so we're gonna stop it right here and finish the rest. Hopefully this guy helps you out.